All right, good morning, folks. Wednesday morning, heading into the city. First and foremost, I want to send a special shout out and thank you to the 2,000 people we had registered for our educational event yesterday. How to day trade the stock market using Nadex products. Massive success. Was a great day of education. If you couldn't make it live, no worries. We're going to have the archived version up on our YouTube channel. That's the Nadex YouTube channel here shortly. We're going to be hosting more of these throughout the year, so don't sweat it. Now's the time. Get in there, watch the archived version. You can catch the later ones. Continue to make yourself a better trader. Now, speaking of trading, heading into today's market, stock market very flat, very quiet overnight session. We're awaiting this inflation data due out today. CPI expectation is about a 5.3% year over year increase with regards to the inflation rate. Now, why is that important? It could help drive this conversation with the Fed with regards to tapering the bond buying program and potentially raising rates early. The only thing really right now standing between that move and the Fed is this Delta variant. All right, let's go get some today. Let's have a good one. Let's trade it up. Let's take advantage of some of that education we got yesterday. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.